Hi guys, welcome to Stack and Heap. We have already said that we have started this channel for those who wanted to be a developer or one means interested in programming, coding. Okay, if you like our channel, please subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. If you have any suggestions, please comment it on our comment box. Today we are going to discuss about how a soil moisture sensor is connected with Arduino Uno. Okay guys, in a soil moisture sensor, it has 4 pins, 2 power pin and analog, 2 ground pin and analog and a digital pin. Now we are going to see how it is coded with Arduino IDE. Okay guys, it is loading. Okay, now we are removing all the inbuilt commands in the window. Okay guys, we have started. We take sensor pin as an integer and that sensor pin is connected to S0. Means here we are going to take the analog readings of soil moisture sensor. Then we also considered moisture reading as integer. Then we set it a threshold value as 300. Means if the sensor reading is moisture reading is above or below the threshold value, the programming setup based on that threshold value. Okay, now we provide the void setup. See, we provide serial begin as we are going to monitor the serial readings. The readings of the analog sensor in serial monitor are monitored in the serial monitor, so we provide the serial begin. Now you can find an error in it, the program. Then we set 10th pin as output. Now we are going to give the void loop. We provide moisture reading is equal to analog reading sensor pin. Means the integer value stored in the sensor pin is storing in moisture reading. Then we provide a serial print line. serial print line, moisture value, then we are also providing a serial print line. To serial printing, the moisture reading, if moisture reading is less than threshold value, digital write, then comma high, else means if the moisture reading is higher than threshold value, digital write, then comma low, then we provide a delay of 1000. Now we are saving the program. Soil humidity sensor, and now we are coding the analog program, so we also mentioned it, analog reading. Okay, now we are going to upload it. It has compiled. If there are no errors, we can see it. There is no errors here. Now we are going to upload it. As I am using Arduino Mega, So upload it to the Arduino Mega. When it is when we have also set the COM5 to COM5 to uploading the program as it is connected with Arduino Mega. Now I have uploaded it. Okay, uploaded. Let us see the serial monitor. Now you can see the moisture values in serial monitor. Let us see how it is connected with the Arduino Mega. Okay guys, this is the lead which we dip or insert in the soil. Then it is connected with the main body of the sensor. It consists of the port and a timer. Okay, we can see this is the sensor, soil moisture sensor. Now we are going to provide the ground and VCC pin. As we are taking the analog readings, we connecting it with the means our input pin is the analog pin. Okay, we have connected. Now we are connecting it with the Arduino Mega. Now I am going to upload it. And okay, now you can see the values from moisture sensor. Now I am going to dip that sensor into a soil of different moisture values. 300. Is it? Here the LED is blinking in. Thank you for watching.